Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to fix Face ID not being available on your iPhone using a few simple settings. First, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Attention. If Require Attention for Face ID is disabled, enable it and check whether Face ID starts working again. If the issue is still there, go back to the main settings screen and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down and look for the setting related to passcode and Face ID. Make sure changes to this setting are allowed. Go back to the main settings screen and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Check the Use Face ID for section and make sure the options you want to use with Face ID are enabled. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. Then follow the instructions on the screen to set up Face ID again. Complete the Face ID setup by following the on-screen instructions. Once the setup is complete, test Face ID again. And that's how you can troubleshoot Face ID not being available on your iPhone. If Face ID still doesn't work after resetting and setting it up again, the issue may be related to the TrueDepth camera system and may require Apple support or service. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.